Welcome to Akohub. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to customize your Google login screen with your brand logo and name at Shopify. When customers log into their account through Ako's social login, they will initially see a consent screen with Ako's default logo and name. However, this default setting can be customized with your own logo and name, ensuring brand consistency and enhanced user experience. To get started, log into your Google account at Google Cloud Platform. Navigate to Cloud Overview and select Dashboard. From there, click Create Project. Now you can name your project and click Create. Once you're done, navigate to API and Services. Choose OAuth Consent Screen. Now, you can try to select External as the user type, then click Create. Now let's fill in the app information. Let's start by entering your brand name. It's gonna replace the default Ako login app name and appear on the consent screen. Then you can enter your user support email. Next, upload your brand logo in a square size. Make sure that it's not larger than 1 MB in JPG, PNG, or BMP format. For the app domain, enter your brand's homepage, privacy policy, and terms of service link. Make sure that your domain is verified. In the authorized domain section, enter your website URL without HTTP or HTTPS. Lastly, fill in the developer contact information. Select the first two scopes as shown as in the screen. Click Update, Save, and Continue. If you would like to test users to access your custom Google login before the login screen is officially published, you can add a user. Once you're all done, double-check your information in the summary. To create credentials, navigate to the Credentials section and create Credentials. Then, select OAuth Client ID. Select Web Application. Now you can name your OAuth Client ID and copy the correct link as shown in the screen. Once you're done, be sure to copy the client ID and client secret for the next step. Open your Ako marketing app and navigate to Settings. Go to Social Login, Custom App, and go to the Google sections. Remember to paste the client ID and client secret info into the correct fields and click Save. Now, you can navigate to the OAuth consent screen and then click Publish App. Click Confirm. In the Verification Status section, select Prepare for Verification. Navigate to Final Review, scroll down, and be sure to check the tick box below and click Submit for verification. You will receive an email notification from Google to begin the verification process. And that's it. By customizing your Google login screen, you get to provide your customers with a familiar and branded experience. Try Ako Marketing today and stay tuned for more videos.